Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I should be further by now? You see the success of others. You scroll through highlight reels online, and you wonder, why not me? That feeling, that frustration. It comes from living in what's called the gap. The gap is the space between where you are right now and where you think you should be. It's a trap. No matter how much you do, it tells you it's not enough. You're not enough. But here's the truth. The gap is a lie, and it's stealing your joy, your peace, and your power. Now, what if I told you there's a way out? It's called living in the gain. Instead of measuring yourself against some moving target, you measure backward. You focus on how far you've come, not how far you've still got to go. So here's 3 things you can do right now to start making a difference in your life. Number 1, measure backwards. Think about who you were 6 months ago, a year ago. You've grown. You've survived more than most people even know. Number 2, gratitude. Before bed, ask, what went right today? Even if it was just making it through, that counts. Number 3, be real with your expectations. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to keep showing up. You're not behind and you're not broken. You're not failing. You're learning. You're building and you're moving forward. Don't let the gap lie to you. Live in the gain. Own your growth and give yourself credit for how far you've come. You've got this, and I'm rooting for you.